Dollywood was a little girl, her family didn't have a whole lot of money, you think. Out of all the years her mom and dad had been married, her mom had never had a wedding ring. One particular year, her dad decided that it was time for her mom to have a wedding band. So he told her brothers and sisters, that they could be in on this gift. And what little dad of money he would have spent on them, if he would let them, he'd take and put it on the ring. So he bought the ring, he hid it in the house, and the first one of them that found it got a special gift. She said she thought it was for a box of chocolate candy or something. One of them found the ring. Her brother cried over it. She knows she's the one that found it first, but he still thinks that he does. History we're riding behind today. She was built in May of 1938 for the Baltimore Motorworks, Eddystone, Pennsylvania. She went to work for the White Pass and Yukon Railroad running out of Skagway, Alaska, up until December 7th, 1941. That's the day which will live in infamy with the attack on Pearl Harbor, caused U.S. involvement in World War II. After the attack, the Army decided a highway needed to be built for Alaska protection. So, in 1942, the Army commandeered December 70th. She helped build the Alcan Military Highway. It's today known as the Alaska Highway. After the end of the war and the completion of the highway, 70 went back to working for the White Pass and Yukon until 1953 when she was retired. In 1977, though, she would be purchased by Jack and Pete Hershey of Silver Dollar City and shipped to Eastern Tennessee from Silver Dollar City, Tennessee, where she would affectionately become known as Cinderella. Engineer Casey. Give him a wave, folks. And now, folks, sit back, relax, enjoy this cool breeze blowing through the cars. Maybe imagine you're on the train headed back home from a very filling Thanksgiving dinner last night. Yeah. And enjoy the scenic beauty and wonder of the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains. Y'all gotta check it out tonight when the sun goes down. That is Glacier Ridge. Make sure you check it out, folks. always up here wanting to wave at you. He's got a corncob pipe, a button nose, 2 eyes made out of coal. Y'all named Frosty the Snowman? Y'all know who that is? He's up here on your left-hand side, folks. He's gonna wave at you.
Frosty the Snowman. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Howdy, Frosty. Are you enjoying the view of the Great Smoky Mountains up here? Folks, we're awful proud of our engine and our guys and gals that operate them. We like to let them show off every now and again. But you folks like to hear our engineer play us a tune on that Central of Georgia Crosby 3-chime whistle? Good, at least 3 people want to hear it. So, on the count of 3, let's see if our engineer just might play a tune on that whistle and say, blow the whistle. 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle. How about a big old round of applause for Casey and Cinderella?
Yeah.
That was Cinderella saying thank you very much. She did all the hard work up there.
Yeah.
They just sat up there and stared at her. On your left-hand side above the trees, a portion of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. You can see why they're called Place of the Blue Smoke. They look like that most of the time. Over 12.5 million visitors last year alone. That's right, folks. Last year, 12.5 million. They're already well on the way to setting a new record for this year. I think they're looking at 15 million this year.
Right.
We're going to round the corner here and begin our way on back down the mountain. Welcome to the Iron Mountain Summit. It is the highest point on our train route today, and it has some of the best views of the Great Smoky Mountains.
Well, look on top of that hill up there. Look at that house. Look at that house up there, Ellie. Somebody lives in there. How about that? Yeah. They can sit up there and watch the train every day if they want to, couldn't they? Pretty cool. That's beautiful.
That's when you just like, I'm done with society. What'd you do? I started a fire. Music. Play some music. Yeah.
Spit out. Oh. Yeah. They're right here.
You ride that one.
Yeah, that's a little bitty one there. That's nothing to do that one. There's that tree, Kelly. See that tree right there? Look at it. I think it's pretty, isn't it? Yeah. That's the one. Is that the eagle? That's not the eagle, is it?
No, it ain't.
No.
And now, folks, if you will, as we make our way on back through here, take a look down in the valley on your left-hand side. You are going to see the Wildwood tree. It's part of Wildwood Grove. Just like the tree in Glacier Ridge, about every 30 minutes or so, the Wildwood tree has a show with light and sound. It's very, very cool. But also, folks, you might want to be up there around Glacier Ridge or in Wildwood Grove tonight between about 8:45 to 9. Because tonight, at 9 o'clock sharp, The skies over Dollywood will be lit up with a merry and bright fireworks spectacular extravaganza. The fireworks are really cool, folks. You got to stay with us tonight till 9 to check them out. I can see the line from Dragonflyer from here.
County family.
The wild ride, I forgot the name of it. It's the wild ride, I forgot the name. It's the wild ride. I don't understand that. Deer.
Deer.
On the hill, look at
There is a deer. Sure is, look. Little deer, little white-tailed deer going up the hill. See, little baby deer. Know what he's doing?
There's the deer ever wandered down into the spot.
Hey, folks, look up there. You see the wheels going round and round and that guy waving? That guy's name is Kyle. Give Kyle a big old wave. Show him some love, folks, because he is the one that has had to shovel all the coal to bring us up and down the mountain on this journey. On an average a day, he's going to get a workout in shoveling 3 to 5 tons of coal. With it, Cinderella's going to drink up about 5,000 gallons of water to bring thousands of folks just like y'all up and down the mountain. We're awful proud of our engines and the guys operating them. They run today same as they first ran on the rails of the White Pass and Yukon. We hope you enjoy riding behind them just as much as we do.
Definitely gonna be prosecuted. Yeah, he does. Arctic, right up through there is where we got to go. That's what we're waiting. Get them other, yeah, where that is. Some kind of pathway, you know. You got to come around this way. Get back to the right. Get over there. Look for deer. Laying up there looking at us, folks.
Get back in the sun.
great time to go back through the Owens Farm crossing, so get a hand up in the air and let's wave at everybody as we make our way on back through town. Never know who you might see out here. Like Bradley, he's over on your left side. Give him a wave, maybe even give him a howdy. He loves these wave jacks. You haven't made it to the crossing yet? Just wave at these old pine trees. They don't mind. Howdy everybody, thanks for letting us pass on through. Keep your eyes open, folks. I've heard there's a chicken lady roams these parts. Anybody see her? Well, let's give everybody out here a big old howdy as we go on back through town. On the count of three, of course. 1, 2, 3. I think we can do better than that. One more time. Howdy. Howdy. There we go. That was louder. Howdy, everybody. Thanks for letting us pass on through. On behalf of myself, I am the one, the only Zach on the back. And we have fellow conductor Chris. He's riding up on car number 3. Thank you for riding with us today, folks. Y'all have been an awesome group. Over on your right-hand side, you see that green fence? That's the rocking roadway. Kids, go over here, drive your parents around on the rocking roadway. You don't even need a driver's license. Show them how well you can drive. You ain't got to worry about the cops over there, will you? They're not watching the rocking roadway today. You can drive as fast as you want. You can show your parents why they should let you drive home tonight. Okay, maybe not that part. On your left, though, kid, there's Country Fair. They got some fun fair type rides and carnival games. Or would that be carnival type rides and fair type games? That's for you to decide. Over on your right is going to be our full service train shop where our highly skilled fireman engineer machinists can rebuild engines from the wheels all the way up the smokestack. Inside that shop, engine 192, Klondike 80. On your left is the remainder of Country Fair. Kids, go over there. Play you a game. Win you one of these gigantic, absolutely humongous stuffed candy canes. And your parents will carry it around for you for the remainder of the evening. Now, I'm sure right now there's a lot of parents saying that they do care, but they're just kidding. Parents love carrying around giant stuffed candy canes that are almost as tall as they are. Yeah, good luck with that one. Everyone remain seated. We're going to make our way on back into town. Please remain seated. And now would be a great time to gather up those personal belongings, you know, pads, bags, cell phones, giant stuffed candy canes. Children, please don't forget the children. We had to take some to lost and found the other day. 3 days later, Conductor Eli returned. It's okay, he brought Conductor Taylor back with him. We sent him over there a couple weeks ago. Ladies, if you brought a crazy husband with you, he's got to go back home with you. We got a warehouse full of them. They tell me all those guys do is sit over there and eat chili and watch football. I know, sounds like fun, doesn't it? I've been handed a note. There's no such thing as a cranky wife. Happy wife, happy life. Happy spouse, happy house. I think I read that right. Everybody remain seated for me. Please remain seated. Little more in your crew, little more. Right there, word. Please remain seated, folks. I'm going to have a couple folks on